Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with Yoga Bae. And today we're just gonna do a quick green juice, power juice, something that's just gonna boost your energy, get you going. And today we just have a few items here. Today we have some carrots, some kale, we have apples, and we also have mint leaves, lemon, we have spinach, and we also have celery. So this is going to be really good. And we also have orange, guys. Oh, and can't forget my quitter ginger. So today we're going to just juice these couple things up just to get the body going. This is just a regular heart immune juice. I added carrots to the mix. You could do that with any type of green juice. Or you could add beets. And it's really good for your heart. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to just do a few. I didn't cut in with this yet, so I'm going to cut a few things for you guys right now. So I'm just going to just do a quick little cut. Okay, oops. I'm not going to use this. We dropped some cal right there, okay? I'm always like dropping stuff, so I apologize. So we're going to get some of this. Okay, we're going to cut this. Cut our apples. These apples are going to be so good. They're really fresh. So they're going to be delicious. And also, guys, FYI, after I finish cutting, I'm going to tell you guys I actually have a new juicer. Shout out to my new juicer. She's right here. You guys can see her. She's gorgeous. But I have a new juicer, this cool little pump, and actually supposed to juice more than what I've been juicing. So we're gonna see how that works, and it goes on high of 2 to 3. It's a Mueller Austria juicer, and I got this from Amazon. It was like 60 bucks. So we're gonna see how that juices today. I'm just gonna back this up just a little bit so you guys can see me. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick juice. This is just a quick, like I said, guys, to just boost your immune system and heart health. So all these vegetables I've washed off and soaked them inside some apple cider vinegar, which you can do with regular vinegar as well, but I use apple cider because it's really good. Okay, so we're gonna just cut some of these little pieces off. Even with the carrot, you can just cut this in half. I can actually juice whole like that, and so can the cucumber. We'll just cut this in for a quick 2, really fast, a quick 4s, and this is like gonna be amazing. Okay, so we have all of our wonderful things chopped up. As you guys can see, it's going to start rolling over. Ding! I did not mean for that to happen. It's okay. We have a lot more. It's okay, guys. I'm glad to see you back. So right, this is going to be here. The rest of the, sorry about that. Always dropping stuff. I can't hear myself. Okay, so now we're going to turn on this juicer. I'm not trying to get a cute picture for you guys. See that? We're going to turn the juicer on to 2. And we're going to start juicing. I'm going to juice the whole orange first. You guys can see me. Okay. And I like to go hard, doing all my hard stuff, my mint, my spinach, going all the way down, and juicing that, okay? juice bit into ginger, and with this juicer I can't, so I'm really excited. And it takes really big portions, which is really good. My love for spinach that I love, and it helps with it. That was fun. That was scary, guys. That gave me like a vibration in my hand.